point close to the beach where we live, and we're just having a look at all the wildlife and birds. There's a bird here somewhere. Not sure where he is. He's trying to fly against the wind. Hard for him though. But the main thing is these huge waves that we have here today. I don't know, it's kind of like Southern California almost.
Get those surfboards out.
Yeah. Pretty amazing. So the neighbors were out today swimming, and they said that